Good morning, children. Let us start UKG class, subject Hindi, oral. Now, let us start Hindi Varnamal with words and with English words also. I tell you, children, you also say with me and learn at your in PDF page. Okay, children. Now, start. The first letter is A. A. Ajgar. Ajgar means snake. You also say with me, children. Ha, Ajgar. Ajgar means snake. Ha, anar, pomegranate. Ha, adarak, ginger. Ha, akarot. Okay, children. You also say along with me. Once again, I repeat you. Ha, Ajgar, snake. Ha, anar, pomegranate. Ha, adarak, ginger. Ha, akarot. Next, after what, children? After a. Ari, garagas. Aloo, potato. Aag, fire. Am, mango. You listen, children. You also say with English words also. Ari, garagas. Aloo, potato. Aag, fire. Am, mango. Next, E. Imali, tamarind. You listen, children. Imali, tamarind. Tamarind means unse hannu. Istari. Istari means iron box. Engine. You listen, children. You also say along with me. Imali. Istari. Engine. Next. E after E. Int. Blocks means ittige. Int. Eek. Sugar cane means kabbu. Ish. Lord. Eid. Once again, repeat, children. You also say along with me. Int. Eek. Ish. Eid. E after O. Upahar, gift. Upahar. Ungali. Ungali means finger. Ullu. Ullu means what, children? All. Ustara. Once again, I repeat, children. You also say with me. Upahar, gift. Ungali, finger. Ullu, all. All means gobe. Ustara. Okay, children. Next. Oont, camel means onte. Udabilav. Next. Oon, ulan. Upper. Upper means up. Once again, repeat, children. You also say with me. Oont, camel means onte. Udabilav. Udabilav means what, children? Mungusi. Oon, ulan. Upper. Upper andre mele means up. Okay, children. You also learn it in this your PDF page. A to O. We will next continue next letter in next class. First you learn A to U. Anar to Upper. Okay, children. Then afterwards I will show how to write Hindi Varnama Swarakshar A to U. And already you learn in your previous class. No, I think you also forget that. Once again, I revise you, children. A anar, an, imali, eek, ungali, unt. And you also learn in your PDF page and in at home and write in 2-line book. Then I show that here how to write in 2 lines Varnamal. Don't write in outside children. You should write in 2 lines only, and say and write children. You must and should say and write. Say with oral plus writing. ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್.